Hello, this is Farron with Step Above Marketing. Hope everyone's doing well today at Glowism. I did speak with you guys a few days ago to let you know that I would send you a custom video showing you how I help beauty professionals expand their business online. For the sake of time, I am going to go over three main areas, and that's going to be content, citation, and backlinks. Okay, so we're going to start off with the customer journey. When someone is searching for your services in Atlanta, more than likely they're going to go to Google. All right, and we want to be found on the first page, of course, if we are providing body sculpting. So for the example, we're going to use body sculpting as the service being provided. So if someone is searching here, 30% of the people go into choose from the top matte pack. Here, we call this the matte pack. So to get in this top three, you have to make sure that you have citations. So what we do is we are able to see how many citations each of your competitors have, and we go ahead and add on about 50 more for you. And then we continuously do that month after month to get you guys ranked in this top three matte pack. And what we call down here is the organic search results on the first page. So 70% of clients come down here when they're choosing for body sculpting. Okay, and so you want to make sure you're listed on this first page, particularly at the top. And hardly anyone ever goes to page 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So you don't want to get stuck on those pages because those pages do not bring in the traffic. Okay, so getting the citation, which is your business name, your business phone number, and your business address listed anywhere throughout the web. So the many times as you have that done, then the better it is with your matte pack. Okay, so we do that consistently with the listings. Having those listings help you out tremendously. So you don't want to just have it just on Yellow Pages or just Yelp. There's so many different directories where you can have your business name listed, and that helps Google to know that you're an authority, and it helps push your Google business profile in this top matte pack. Okay, and so what I'm doing is I'm just taking a quick look over here at you guys' Google business profile. And you want to make sure that this is optimized as much as possible and consistently. So this is really good. 78 Google reviews. That's an important factor. The reviews, and also having the products listed. So not only like if you sell these products, that's good, but also having the services that you provide listed under here as products. I know it says products, but this is the place for your services also. So having everything that you provide here, such as the body sculpting, micro needling, so forth, all of that stuff listed here is the way to have this profile all the way optimized. And good job on having the post down here, because this is another way as well to optimize your profile. Consistently having these posts talking about the service you provide and the things that you guys got going on. So good for that. So with the profile, only thing I see missing is the service you provide, the services that you provide added in here. And so that's pretty good. All right, so yeah, just having those contents will help you guys show up here in the citations, show up here in this top three matte pack. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to move on to your website. We're going to go over content. All right, so I love the website. I love these I love the pictures with the two ladies, and I absolutely adore this this Glowism logo, like how it's two-toned. I like the look of it, the font and all of that. All right, so and then this is correct with the drop downs and all the services listed. All right, so what I am noticing though is that there aren't any keywords listed on the main page here. Google likes to see keywords, and it also likes content. It likes we do at least 1,500 words on the main page. That helps with your authority with Google, and it helps with your ranking. So we have at least 1,500 words, talking about the services, talking about the business, and whatnot here on this first page. And they also need to have specific keywords. So Atlanta body sculpting, Atlanta beauty bar, Atlanta med spa, whatever you would have on this main page, whatever your key focus is for your main business, that keyword would need to be up here, and it also would You need to have some, wording through here where the keyword is also in the wording at least 3 times. And that would definitely start bringing this first page up in some of the rankings. All right, so what we're going to do is take a quick look now at the side pages, the criteria for a side page. All right, so I'm looking at your body sculpting services page. So here, of course, I'm having Atlanta body sculpting in Atlanta up here, and you want to always have it up here in the heading, the H1 header, and then you want to have it at least 3 times in your content. And this, so we usually do about 500 words on the side pages as well. So having it structured out here is good, how you have all the information, but just having this structured better, and having like, paragraphs, more content with the pictures and whatnot. And of course the keywords is what's going to help this page pull up when someone is looking for body sculpting in Atlanta. And for the sake of example, I put up one of you guys' competitors. We're just going to look at their first page real fast. If you see here, they have some content with the wording, and I'll be honest with you, they actually could even have even better content than what they have. If you look up here in their heading, they do have the keyword here, Atlanta cosmetic surgery and med spa. So that's the keyword that they're going for, and that's what they wanted to optimize this first page for. So when people are searching for these things in the area, that this page will pop up. You look here, here's another keyword, Buckhead cosmetic surgery and medical spa. So they're making sure that people in the area can find this web page, okay? So non-surgical men's procedures in Buckhead. These are all keywords that were strategically placed in here so they could rank for those keywords. So that's what I'm talking about. And then if we go over to look at their side, one of their side pages, you see here how they have the keywords here in the heading in bold again. Body sculpting in Atlanta. This is what we're looking for. This is what Google is looking for when it decides to push a page up to the top. Okay, so not only do we want the keywords on the side pages as well, we also want to have it throughout the wording. And on the side pages, we usually do at least 500 words. So we'll have at least 500 words here. If your competitor has more than 500 words for body sculpting, well then guess what? We go up and do about 1,000 words on, we would do 1,000 words for body sculpting on your side page. Okay, so that's showing how we implement content that would bring in more traffic for you guys. All right, last but not least, I'm going to go over backlinks. So this right here, this tool is what we use to see what's going on with the website in the background. It's called Ahrefs. It tells me what's going on with your ranking. It tells me what's going on with your keywords, your traffic, and so forth. So this is the profile for you guys' website here. If you look here, this shows your ranking, your status with other websites in your industry. This right here shows your traffic. This right here shows the number of backlinks you have. So a backlink is when another website gives you a shout out. You know how you'll be on a website and then it'll automatically take you to another website once you hit a button or click on a link? That's what a backlink is. So the more industries you get in, the more businesses in your industry that you get to point back to your website, the better. The better it is if you have other websites that have good reputations with Google to point back to your website, to put a link on there. If someone clicks on it, it goes back to your website. Those are all good backlinks, and that's the way to help businesses grow. Okay, so over time we add in backlinks that are good backlinks, and it helps with your reputation every time someone is pointing back to you guys. So I just want to kind of give you an overview of your competitions so you can see how much room it is for expansion. All right, so if you look at these guys here, I believe their name is Surgicare Arts or something. Their backlinks, they have almost 2,000 backlinks. Okay, so I'm just going to do a side by side. You guys have 133. Okay, so for the traffic that they're bringing in every month, guys, that's showing the potential of traffic here is about at least 19K. And I don't even think these are the top people in the area. But it looks about at least 20K in the Atlanta area for these med spa type of services. And it looks like your website so far has been getting about an average of 282 per month, and they're getting about 18,000. So that's showing, with optimization, the potential that the website could bring in for you guys. I hope that you learned something from the video. It would be a pleasure to work with you guys. I'm looking to work with one business in the Atlanta area that provides the services that you provide. You can go ahead and reply back if you would like more information. Reply to the email that this video is coming from. You can also give us a call at 470-458-1811. It was a pleasure shooting this video for you. Have a good day and take care. I wish you the best success in your business.